So sojourners, here I am, all sweaty, working, but I'm getting there, okay? I am getting there, guys. I'm almost done. Just this little corner left for me to cut, and I will be finished cutting out the door or the lay, the hens to lay, or for the nest. Okay, so here I am, sojourners. I finished cutting out the door for the hens to lay their eggs. Wow, these are so helpful because I work alone, and so when I need someone to hold one side of my material, that's when those come in handy. So here I've cut out this section, and this is going to be the door, so I will be able to take out the eggs when my chickens lay. So I'm going to be cleaning this up. I have to cut that one off. So this is what it looks like. I'll be using some wood filler to fill this hole right here. So this is one part of it, and this is going to be the door. This is the part that I cut out, but I'm still going to use it as the door. So I'll have to sand it down a little. Okay, it should be fitting in here. I have a piece of board here. You can use this one. Yeah, this is good. Wow. I can't even find my other gloves. I have no idea where it is. So I'm going to be taking off just a little bit of the top so that the door can close, right? Let me see what the sides look like. Sides seem okay. Yeah, the sides are okay, but I'll have to take off a little bit of the top. So I will leave just a little bit of the top here, and I will sand that off. Make sure that it's square. That way it can open and close properly. I am in my sunroom working. It's a mess right now, but as soon as this is done, it will get back to its usual appearance when I clean it out. Okay. This one went down too far. Come on, guys. Measure twice and cut once. That's what they say. Measure twice and cut once. All right, there you go. I know that shift up there. I know you shift, come on. I know you shift. Yes, you did. You know something? Let me get these screws in because I'm gonna change where this hole is. I don't like where that hole is, so I'm gonna get another one. Alrighty, I'm just making sure that I have enough screws for everything before I can always put one here and one here when I'm done, okay? Alrighty, so let me see if I can get one end. I'm gonna try to get one end. Alright, that looks like it. Okay. Try to get this one. Make sure that this one is level. Alright. Okay, so there it is. I got that. I'm gonna screw this in down here. Okay, so guys, so here is the door. It's level, as you can see it. Okay, and this is the lock that I've made for it. So I open it. Okay, so this is one nest here, and this is the other nest. Alrighty, so